Sir, Reena ji and Meghna ji are here. Sir, this is our mentor, Mr. Bhishnu Dhanuka.
Namaste.
Sir, we'll start, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you for our Facebook live session for today's Suryoday event. Suryoday is the literary wing of Millennium Mams. It's been a phenomenal journey for this wonderful vertical, right from season 1, where we had revered authors such as Francis Miralles, Vikram Sampath, Coral Dasgupta, Kavita Kane, to name a few. And this year, our season 2 of Suryoday had started with a discussion with renowned author Gurucharan Das. Today, we have a very different, one-of-a-kind event where literature meets music. Yes, my friends, today we will have a mesmerizing experience where timeless poems by Guru Rabindranath Tagore will be recited, accompanied by the beautiful classic music of sitar. Let us welcome our guests for today, Mrs. Reena Srivastav, a well-known classical sitar player of our country. She has worked with many famous national and international organizations, and Mrs. Meghna Nandi, who dons many hats. She is working as a social worker associated with Cajon Communications web portal. She's an elocutionist and singer. Over to you, Meghna ji and Reena ji.
Namaskar and good evening to all our viewer friends. We are very happy to be here today. I would like to thank Ms. Rachna Prasad ji and Meghna Bajoria ji for inviting us to come and perform for this lovely forum. Today it's a very special evening for us also. We are going to celebrate Tagore with his creation of poetry and songs. I'm going to play songs in my sitar, and my colleague friend Meghna will recite the poetry and she will explain you too. Now, today what we are how we designed this evening, Meghna will explain you. So over to Meghna, please. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, Rinadi. A very warm welcome to all our viewers. Good evening to all of you. As Rinadi said that we are going to celebrate Tagore tonight with his poetry and songs. Tagore is vast and endless subject. He is a Bengali poet, writer, composer, philosopher, and painter. He reshaped Bengali literature and music as well as Indian art. Tagore's songs are intimately linked to his literary work. Just as many of his poems have been transformed into songs, tonight Rinadi will play the tunes of his songs and I will explain the songs as well as the poem. Let us start with his beautiful composition. Before going to explain this, I would like to say this thing that is, Tagore did this classification of his song by himself, and that you can find it in the collection of book Gitobitan. They were classified in 6 parjay. Parjay means order. Puja, offerings, Swadesh, patriotic, Prem, love, Prakriti, nature, Bichitro, amazing, and Anushtanik, ceremonial. So we are trying to cover all these 6. Rinadi played this Alo Amar Alogo. This is in the Porchai of Bichitro, that is amazing. আলো আমার আলো ওগো আলো ভুবন ভরা আলো নয়ন ধোয়া আমার আলো হৃদয় হরা নাচে ও ভাই আমার প্রাণের কাছে বাজে ও ভাই হৃদয় বিনার মাঝে জাগে আকাশ ছোটে বাতাস হাসে সকল ধরা আলোর স্রোতে পাল তুলেছে হাজার প্রজাপতি আলোর ঢেউয়ে উঠল মেতে মল্লিকা মালতী মেঘে মেঘে সোনা ও ভাই যায় না মানিক গোনা পাতায় পাতায় হাসি ও ভাই পুলক রাশি রাশি সুর নদীর কুল ডুবেছে সুধা নিজর ঝরা Lights, my lights, the walls filling lights, the eye-kissing lights, heart-sweetening lights. Ah, the light dances at the center of my life. The light strikes the chords of my love. The sky opens, the wind runs wild, laughter passes over the earth. The butterflies spread their sails on the sea of light. Lilies and jasmine surge up on the crests of the waves of light. The light is shattered into gold on every cloud, and it scatters gems in profusion. Mirth spreads from leaf to leaf, my darling, and gladness without measure. The heavens river has drowned its banks, and the flood of joy is abroad. I think you all recognize this tune because it's our childhood tune. Uh, Basically, this is a beautiful composition by Tagore, and this is talking about the nature. Rabindranath Tagore's love for nature was profound, and for him, the wide open skies, spaciousness, and tranquility of the countryside symbolize freedom. This segment, he is talking about spring. And definitely, I would like to mention this that is, there's a particular tune influenced legendary composer Sri S.D. Burman Sahab. And he has composed this song in the film Abhiman in 1973, Tere Mere Milan Kiye Rehna, and evergreen duet by Lata Mangeshkar ji and Kishore Kumar ji. This is really, really a wonderful tune. That's why just we played this. And now let me read out this. যদি তারে নাই চিনি গো সে কি আমায় নেবে চিনে এই নব ফাল্গুনের দিনে জানি নে সে কি আমার কুঁড়ির কানে কবে কথা গানে গানে পরাণ তাহার নেবে কিনে এই নব ফাল্গুনের দিনে জানি নে সে কি আপন রঙে ফুল রাঙাবে সে কি মর্মে এসে ঘুম ভাঙাবে ঘোমটা আমার নতুন পাতার হঠাৎ দোলা পাবে কি তার গোপন কথা নেবে জিনে এই নব ফাল্গুনের দিনে জানি নে Will he be able to recognize me with the onset of the spring? I'm not known to him though, completely uncertain I am. Will he whisper songs to my blooming buds, slyly whisking away their soul? Completely uncertain I am. Will his colors instill their flowers? Will he permeate and wake me up? Will he be perceived suddenly by swaying of my veil of nascent twigs? Win over my secrets, long hushed within my core, with the onset of the spring, completely uncertain I am. We are talking about the nature, so I would love to read out this also. This is basically talking about rainy season, and Tagore's love for rain monsoon is something. And he has made so many songs in this monsoon season. So, favorite one, yes. মোর ভাবনারে কি হাওয়ায় মাতালো দোলে মনো দোলে অকারণ হরষে হৃদয় গগনে সজল ঘন নবীন মেঘে রসেরও ধারা বরষে তাহারে দেখি না যে দেখি না শুধু মনে মনে ক্ষণে ক্ষণে ওই শোনা যায় বাজে অলক্ষিত তারি চরণে রুনু 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 নুপুর ধ্বনি গোপন স্বপনে ছাইল অপরশ আঁচলের নবনীলিমা উড়ে যায় বাদলের এই বাতাসে তার ছায়াময় এলোকেশ আকাশে সে যে মনোমোর দিল আকুলি জল ভেজা কেতকীর দূর সুবাসে My thoughts dumble around intoxicated by which breeze sways my heart, sways for no reason to a delightful thrill. My heart sky is awash with emotions so sweet, dark dense clouds brimming with fresh new drops of rain. I sight her not even a glimpse, it is only in my mind I hear. There it sounds ever so often, tinkling of anklet bells that remain its unseen. My secret dreams are unenfolded. by an exclusive gossamer, tinged with a bluishness so new. Her loose tresses flutter in breezy cloudiness, casting shadows on earth and pervading the skies. She has enthralled my heart, stoking it to reverence with the scent of rain drenched flowers waiting in from afar.
Uh, Now I'm going to play this song. Especially, this is a classical composition, Gat, and he had influenced. He had already influenced by this Gat, and he composed this song.
Actually, this is the tune of the song, and you can see, you can just painting these with clouds and rain and monsoon season. So this is Tagore, actually, that endless subject I have mentioned previously. So for Tagore, love is very important, and Tagore feel that the essence of love is to give, never take. It's not give and take as many people believe, but it is give and give. He writes, power said to worlds, you are mine. The world kept it prisoner on her throne. Love said to the world, I am yours. The world gave it to the freedom of her house. The tune mesmerized, and that's why actually I was also in this tune. So beautifully played by Rinadi. ঘরেতে ভ্রমর এলো গুনগুনিয়ে, ঘরেতে ভ্রমর এলো গুনগুনিয়ে, আমারে কার কথা সে যায় শুনিয়ে, আলোতে কোন গগনে মাধবী জাগলো বনে, এলো সেই ফুল জাগানোর খবর নিয়ে, সারাদিন সেই কথা সে যায় শুনিয়ে, কেমনে রহি ঘরে, মন যে কেমন করে, কেমনে কাটে যে দিন দিন গুনিয়ে, কি মায়া দেয় বুলায়ে, দিল সব কাজ ভুলায়ে, বেলা যায় গানের সুরের জাল বুনিয়ে, আমারে কার কথা সে যায় শুনিয়ে, ঘরেতে ভ্রমর এলো গুনগুনিয়ে। In my room, a bee came humming. Whose affairs did it tell me before leaving? Aiming which skies forest vine is shooting. It came with news of the flower booming. Whole day this he kept me telling. How do I stay in my room? Restless I'm feeling, counting days, the time I'm spending. What fancies are calling? All work I'm missing. Whole day is spent in notes of music weaving. Just his vision about love. It's give and give. That bonding stronger when he is talking about his puja porjai songs and poetry, where uh, in religion, Tagore repeatedly asserts the deep personal bonding with the Almighty. কণ্ঠে নিলেন আমার শেষ পারানির কড়ি, কণ্ঠে নিলেন একলা ঘাটে রইব নাগো পড়ি, আমার সুরের রসিক নে তারে ভোলাবো গান গেয়ে, পারের খেয়ায় সেই ভরসায় চড়ি, পার হব কি নাই হব তার খবর কে রাখে, দূরের হাওয়ায় ডাক দিল এই সুরের পাগলাকে, ওগো তোমরা মিছে ভাবো আমি যাবই যাবই যাবই, ভাঙলো দুয়ার কাটলো দড়া দড়ি, আমার শেষ পাড়ানির করি কণ্ঠে নিলেন, গান কণ্ঠে নিলেন। My last scent, my songs I have borne, I shall not be left on the shores alone. My oarsman, he loves a tune, I will charm him with my solo score, wage my sailing with his boats to get my place on the other shore. I do not care if I touch my destiny. Their ears are drunk with melodies of the far that bleeds and treats my reeling heart. You all vainly bother so about if I leave or not. Leave I shall, leave I must, break the door and free the knot. whatever the song Rinadi played, it's a very known tune to all of us from very childhood. We used to sing this song in schools and in functions and programs. But this is a song of Tagore, is a patriotic song. And the creator of this national anthem, Tagore always felt for his country. I'm willing to serve my country, but my worship I reserve for rights, which is far greater than country. He is talking about in this song, আমরা সবাই রাজা, আমাদের এই রাজার রাজত্বে, নইলে মোদের রাজার সনে মিলব কি সত্ত্বে? আমরা যা খুশি তাই করি, তবু তাঁর খুশিতেই চরি। আমরা নই বাঁধা নই দাসের রাজার ত্রাসের দাসত্বে, নইলে মোদের রাজার সনে মিলব কি সত্ত্বে? রাজা সবারে দেন মান, সে মান আপনি ফিরে পান, মোদের খাটো করে রাখেনি কেউ কোনো অসত্যে, নইলে মোদের রাজার সনে মিলব কি সত্ত্বে? আমরা চলব আপন মতে, শেষে মিলব তাঁরই পথে, মোরা মরব না কেউ বিফলতার বিষম আবর্তে, নইলে মোদের রাজার সনে মিলব কি সত্ত্বে? We are free to do whatever we like, although our movements guided by him. We are not constrained by the fear of the king of the bounded. How else we would be able to unite with him? The king pays honor to all. He is gifted in return with admiration. We are unethically discriminated by none. How else we would be able to unite with him? We follow our own path, meet his mission at the end. We shall not die encircling odds of failure. How else we would be able to unite with him? We are free to do whatever we like, although our movements guided by him. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে। ভেঙে মোর ঘরের চাবি নিয়ে যাবি কে আমারে ও বন্ধু আমার। পাগলা হাওয়ার বাদল দিনে পাগল আমার মন নেচে ওঠে। পৌষ তোদের ডাক দিয়েছে, আয় রে চলে, আয় আয় আয়। আমার বেলা যে যায় সাঁঝ বেলাতে, তোমার সুরে সুরে সুর মেলাতে। যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে। This is a mixed bag, actually. It's a glimpses of Tagore's songs, so many. Actually, Rabindranath Tagore composed many number of songs in the tune of Baul, Kirtan, Sari, so many. So you have just tried this with so many tunes together. Rinadi played all these glimpses of Tagore. I think we are just finishing in the finishing line. So Tagore favorite season is monsoon. So we will finish it with this song. Yeah, and this is basically a classical based song. And will you see?
And this is a rainy season raga, Desh, and Ishu Shamulu Sundaru, the song. Now I'm going to play. And basically it's a classical composition. Yeah, and over to the song. Okay, thank you.
এসো শ্যামল সুন্দর, আনো তব তাপহরা তৃষাহরা সঙ্গ সুধা, বিরোহিণী চাহিয়া আছে আকাশে, সে যে ব্যথিত হৃদয়েও আছে বিছায়ে, তমাল কুঞ্জ পথে সজল ছায়াতে, নয়নে জাগিছে করুণ রাগিনী। মুকুল মুকুল রেখেছে গাঁথিয়া, বাজিছে অঙ্গনে মিলন বাঁশরি। আনো সাথে তোমার মন্দিরা, চঞ্চল নৃত্যের বাজিবে ছন্দেশে, বাজিবে কঙ্কন, বাজিবে কিঙ্কিনি, ঝংকারিবে মঞ্জির রুনু রুনু। এসো শ্যামল সুন্দর। Green beauty, you are welcome. Fetch your cool thirst quenching nectar of togetherness. The parted lady is waiting impatiently, staring high into the sky, her twitched heart spirited through pleasant shady tamal bushes, sad melody in her drenched eyes, garlanded bokul blossoms kept ready, flutes in the courtyard playing in anticipation for union. Come with your mondira, it would accompany with the brisk dance movements. Bangles will make pleasant noise, fit jewelry will sound. They will strike pleasant crushing sounds. Green beauty, you're welcome. শ্যামল সুন্দর আনুতব তাপহরা তৃষাহরা সঙ্গ সুধা বিরোহিণী চাহিয়া আছে আকাশে এসো শ্যামল সুন্দর এসো শ্যামল সুন্দর এসো শ্যামল সুন্দর I think this is already 7, so this is the ended up with this number, this celebration with Tagore.
Thank you, Reena ji and Meghna ji. You have left us completely spellbound and transported us to a different world altogether with your soulful music and beautiful recitations.
Thank you so very much.
I would now like to invite Sonali Chandak, coordinator of Suryoday, to give her vote of thanks. Sonali?
Thank you, Meghna. Wow, how we wish to keep listening to beautiful poems and mesmerizing songs of Tagore. I'm sure you have touched our souls today evening with glimpses of Tagore's compositions. Music expresses that which cannot be said and on which it is impossible to be silent. I express my gratitude to Reena ji and Meghna ji for enlightening us this evening with beautiful, mesmerizing Tagore poems and songs.
Thank you.
Thank you. And thank you to Suryoday members for joining us and making this event a success. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.